Hey guys, it's Freeze. Welcome back to my channel. So, I haven't done a video in about a week or 8 days. The reason is because there wasn't, good enough cars for me to feel like doing in a live unboxing thing. So, today, surprisingly, my Walmart store got a lot of C-Case cars. The only one that I couldn't seem to find because they may not have had it there or all the collectors had gotten to it before me was the blue Toyota Tacoma. So, yeah, anyways, some of these cars are from Walmart, some are from Target. So, yeah, these three are from Target. These are from Walmart, these are from Walmart, and pretty much everything else is from Walmart, except for these three right here. And yeah, I know some of them are the same. So yeah, anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope to see a decent amount of people on the live that I'm doing sometime tonight on my channel. Bye, thanks for watching, have a great rest of your weekend.